One of the trends at CES 2025 has definitely been colored cases, and Thermaltake was there to show off several different colors for its Tower 600 case. This case is more than fun colors though, as it also allows you to use 420mm AIOs. They were also on hand to show off their two new colors for their Tower 250 case, which supports 360mm water cooling. But not to leave out small form factor lovers, they also had their TR100, which supports up to 280mm water cooling, along with ITX motherboards and SFX power supplies. And if you're the type of person to carry your small form factor build everywhere, you'll be happy to know they do have a solid carrying case available. If you're looking to show off your builds though, you'll want to take a look at the View 600, which is available in both white and black. And that just scratches the surface for what Thermaltake had on display. From server towers, to racing wheels, and immersion rigs, all the way to PC cooling, its new RGB fan lineup, its new 2000 watt ATX power supply and 1200 watt SFX power supply, all the way to keyboards, memory, and immersion cooling. To read up on all this and more, check out techpowerup.com.